I am back with Peter. We are at Lake Mohegan. Those of you around Westchester probably know this place pretty well. He's got a boat, he's got a trolling motor. He said, why don't we go out on Lake Mohegan? I want to do some bass fishing. I said, hell, why not? So here we are out on Lake Mohegan. A little windy, but trolling motor should help. Gonna throw some spinner baits, maybe a jerk bait. No, we'll see. But looking like prime moving bait conditions. So wish me luck.
That was hitting yesterday too. My dad had those on.
Yeah, so we both got spinner baits on. Little white and chartreuse trailer, not Taylor. He's got Colorado blades, I got little blades. We're just gonna kind of experiment. Wow. What time did you come out here the other day though?
Same time.
Same time?
No, midday where I was trying to go for the warmest time of the day.
Yeah. Jerk bait, ooh ha ha.
Pretty lucky. I'm gonna move us here.
Yeah. Was he nice?
I can't tell. Not yet, anyways.
Solid. You want a net or no?
No, I'll lip him. I'll lip him.
Solid number one. About time.
Shake up. Where I got it, right here.
But finally out of the wind, now that you guys can see, and probably hear. Found a little cove. And we're fishing that now.
This is like two different extremes running down.
There you go. There you go. Yo, I didn't even know he hit. I thought I was stuck on a log. Yeah.
Not bad.
Yeah. Yeah, net him. I don't wanna risk flipping. Let's go. Biggest bass of the year so far. Get her done. Yeah, it's placing. There you go. Hey, yo. Can't feel my fingers. Atta boy. Bro,
That's a cool line on that fish. Look at that line. Look at the line he's got on his side.
That is dope.
That's really distinct.
Honestly, that is dope. That is a fatty too.
That's some character in him.
Did they? No, I still got eggs.
Yeah, no.
You see where'd it go? I literally saw a little like brown log in the water, and that's where I went past, and that's why I thought I was stuck on it. There you go. Nice little bassy bass. Oh yeah, first one of the day. He gone. She gone actually. Oh, I just got hit. There we go. No, that's not him. I definitely got hit though. I felt it tugging in weeds. Damn. It's up to you.
I think it's worth it.
Yeah?
Right. The wind a little bit too.
Yeah. Oh, there we go. There we go. That's a good one. That one's really good. That's good. Shit, he's under the boat.
Come on, dude.
Come on. That's a good one. Oh, yes.
Jay, that's a giant.
Come on.
Bring him up, guys.
He's under.
I got him.
Let's go! Let's go!
Let me get us off here.
Holy shit. Probably knew I missed one. Holy shit. Cast it right back to the exact same place.
That's a big one.
Let's go.
That's a good one right there, man.
Holy shit.
You gotta hit her on the scale.
That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, we're putting her on the scale.
Take a few pictures of that too.
Oh yeah.
Super cool.
Yeah, you see that?
Look at the hole in her lip. What do you got?
That can't be right.
What do you got?
311. Actually, yeah.
311. That's probably right.
Right.
Just a little short of a 4-pounder. What does it say?
Do that one more time. 311.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Take a picture of it.
There you go, fellas. That is a 4-pounder, basically. Come here, baby. Oh yeah.
Good?
Yeah, she's swam down. Let's go. Crankbait, baby. The water's warm. I'm telling you. It's warmer than the air.
It is pretty warm.
Oh shit. Oh, let me get back here. Oh. Let's go. Feel good? Nah, he's a decent guy. He's not a decent one. Bro, they're just all chunkers. All of them, man. All chunkers. Another one. Pete's got 3, I got 2. I got the big one though. There he is. Yeah, he's decent. Oh, that's big. That's a big one.
What's he going? Bring him up here. He's too far down.
Come on. There you go. Let's go. Another one. Another one, baby. That's probably like a 2.5.
Well, I'll tell you what.
Holy shit, crank came out again. Hook's not even in him.
That's not the one you lost.
That's not the one I lost, but that is a chunk and a half, bro. Every single. Oh, he's peeing on me. Oh, he's peeing on me. What a chunk.
Every single bass is a chunk.
Dude, nice bass. There he goes, baby. 9, 10, 11. Just got back home.
Was fish locked on and catch? Oh, what happened here? I found the freaking juice.
That was such a fun trip there. All quality fish, all 2 pounds plus. First hog of the season. Feeling good. Just want to say thanks again to Peter for bringing me on his boat like that. That was awesome. Hopefully we get to do a lot more opportunities like that. Take some more trips, explore some places. thank y'all for watching. I'm gonna go get some snacks because I'm hungry. Hope y'all enjoy. Catch y'all next time.